Same rule, we have a 5 minutes mandatory substitution up until third quarter. Fourth quarter, bahala na po kami mag-decide ng mga substitutions. Jump ball, first possession. Nasa team. Team in shy. Eugenio. Pass to Ace. Ace to take the shot. Go good. Rebound. Nakay Denostra. Denostra. Pass to Eroisa. Elbow three-pointer. No good. Rebound. Denostra again. Denostra. Teardrop. Missing. Diamante for the rebound. Diamante. Keep out pass. Eugenio. Catch it. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Diamante. Alba stumble. Turn around. Go good. Rebound. Nakay Geronimo. Pass to Morto Bamba. Bamba drive. Bamba. To the horn. Basket yan. Para kay Fonfon. Bamba. Eugenio. Eugenio. Looking for his teammate. Give it to Diamante. Diamante down the middle. Deflected. There's Mostra. No good. Geronimo. Gets the rebound. Geronimo. Pass to Arabel. Basket 2 points. Eroisa. Tapos kay Ace. Ace ngayon sa high post. Ace looking for his teammate. Give it to Eugenio. Fires for three. Supply. Denosa for the rebound. Denosa. Lay it up. Probably timeout. Meron pong bola. Last week we have a foul. Foul against jersey number 7, Aquino. First personal foul, first team foul. First right basket. Second try, basket pa rin para kay number 8, Denostra. Bamba, 71 para sa team. TJ, Geronimo, launches for 3, no good. Eugenio for the rebound. Eugenio, forward pass to Denostra. Now putting a Eroisa, basket 2 points. Bamba, pass to Geronimo. Geronimo, top stepping, down the lane. Geronimo, puts it in, no good. Rebound, now by Ace. Ace, penetrating, lay it up, no good. Rebound, Arabel, pass to Portland Bamba. Bamba, penetrating, anticipated, ang bola na kay Diamante. Diamante. 3-on-1 play. Diamante, give it to Denostra, basket, 2 points. Conrad. Pass to Bamba, malapit. Supply. Eugenio, pass to Eroisa. Eroisa. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio, penetrating. Back to Eroisa. Wala kasi seconds. Naka-Ace on possession. Ace up and under. No good. Aquino for the rebound. Aquino, pass to Geronimo. Geronimo, pass to Conrad. Binigay kay Arabel. Basket 2 points. Eroisa. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio. Sa gitna kay Ace. Ace. Pass to Eroisa. Right pointer play. Successful. 3-pointer para kay Eroisa. Geronimo. Pass to Bamba. Bamba to Conrad. Anticipated. Ang bola na kay Arabel. Pass to Aquino. Tututok supply. Conrad for the rebound. Pass to Arabel. Jumper supply. Rebound na kay Ace. Ace. Pass to Eroisa. Eroisa. A little stumble. Eroisa. Shoot for 3. Same spot. Not this time. Ang bola na kay Geronimo. Behind the back. Pass kay Bamba. Pass to Conrad. Conrad, in and out crossover. Conrad, pass to Arabel. Arabel. Take the shot. Missing. Eroisa pass to Eugenio. Outlet pass. Bamba, kukuha ng pasa. Bamba drive, kick atas, Geronimo for three, in and out. Ang bola, bawal yung kay Bamba, basket 2 points. Bawal. Pero isa, pass to Diamante. Diamante ngayon. Diamante, spin, no good, Aquino for the rebound. Aquino, pass to Bamba, give it to Geronimo. Geronimo, pass to Arabel, basket. And the call is substitution. Another fresh legs for both teams. Bukit, pass to Bukit. Supporter, naging si Jorge Eugenio. Right open, pass for three. Connect. Para kay Eugenio. Abasterias. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. Inutulo. Inocas. We have a top ball. Same goal possession. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Valero. Pass out to Silias. Third out counter. Connects. Para kay Abasterias. Bukit. Pass to Bukit. Bitaw ng first. Supply. Campino for the rebound. Campino. Campino lay out and extra. Basket connect. Para kay Campino. Nokias. Nokias down. Three drop. Basket 2 points. Para kay Nokias. Abasterias. Abasterias. How do you play? Anticipated. Campino. No good. Abasterias for the rebound. Take the shot. Connect. 2 points. Para kay Abasterias. Nokias. Pass to Bukit. Bukit. Pass to Eugenio. Back to Bukit. Elbow. Take. Bukit drive. A spin. 100. No good. Barreto. Pass to Delfino. Delfino ngayon. Stops. Binigay kay Ignacio. Basket 2 points. Apolinario. Apolinario spin. Apolinario. Nowhere to go. Apolinario. Ball fake. Eugenio. Catch in. Fire. No good. Delfino for the rebound. Delfino. 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 Lay it off. Supply. Makuha pa ni Barreto. Pass. Ano kay Abasterias. Abasterias. Pass to Ignacio. Fire for three. No good. Nokias. Nokias. Stops and ball. And pulls the trigger. No good. Apolinario. Pass to Bukit. Supply. Apolinario. No good. Another basket 2 points para kay Apolinario. Lozano. Pass to Abasterias. Elbow 3-pointer. No good. Eugenio. Pass to Bukit. Bukit ngayon. Bukit. Pass to Apolinario. Apolinario. No good. Barreto for rebound. Bigay ni Abasterias. Abasterias is stop and pump. Perimeter J. Supply. Eugenio. First pass to Nokias. Nokias. Lay off. 2-1. Supply. Lozano for the rebound. Nokias pa rin. Nokias. Pass to Apolinario. 2 points. Ora hindi na nga ang score. Abasterias. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. No good. Nice defensive stop para kay Eugenio. Eugenio. Pass to Bookie. Bookie. Step back a little. No good. Not yet. He's making, but we have a foul. Foul jersey number. Barredo. First personal foul. First team foul. Time on. Time out. Team. CJ. 40 minutes. Nokias. Nokias. Fake. Nokias. Supply. Apolinario. Ball outside.
Nice D.
Same goal possession. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Nokias. Pass to Bukit. Go ahead. So good. Rebound. Bukit again. Bukit. Out in play to Apolinario. Connects. Coming from Bukit. 2 points. Ignacio. Pass to Barredo. Binigay kay Abasilias. Back to Barredo. Barredo. Abasilias. Picture line jumper. In and out. Bukit for the rebound. Mawawala na bola. Barredo. We have a foul. Foul jersey number 22 Bukit. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots para kay Barredo. First try, basket. Second try, basket pa rin para kay Barredo. Nokias. Pass to Bukit. Bukit, down the lane. Bukit, lay off. Walang mapupuntahan ang Barredo. 20 seconds remaining. Barredo, pass to Abasilias. Connect, 2 points. Apolinario yun. Nakuha na rin ang sa possession. Nokias for 3. No good. 1 second. Lozano fire. End of the first quarter. Score natin all 20 sa ating bago for quarter. Eroisa pass to Eugenio. Eugenio, sa corner, turnover. Bamba. Pass to Geronimo. Fire for 3. Yes, sir. 2 points. Para kay Geronimo. Macias. Pass to Eloy sa elbow. Babangin ng 3. Short. Ang bola na kay Rosal. Binigay kay Eloisa. Aquino deflected. Ang bola na kay Bamba. Bamba. Leg pass to Geronimo. No good. Rebound na kay Eugenio. Eugenio. Pass to Rosal. Fake Rosal. No good. At ang bola mananatili sa team in Chad. Itchan ba? Itchan? Itchan. Ay, din. Nasa ano ng TJ ng Geronimo. Geronimo lay off basket 2 points para kay Geronimo. Eroisa. Pass to Macias. Binigay. Give it for play. Lay off basket. Yan para kay number 13. Macias. Harabel. Back pass to Aquino. Pega na 4. Coming from Aquino. 2 points.
With us, complete and balanced.
Asian.
Team number 6 and 8.
Pass to Macias. Macias pass to Eroisa. Eroisa basket. Successful. 3-pointer para kay Eroisa. Geronimo pass to Conrad. Jumper. No good. Rebound Makukuha pa ni Aquino. Aquino, sablay. Another lay-off. Grabe si Aquino, 2 points. Rosal. Siya naman. Susubok. Hulian ni Aquino. Arabel, pass to Bamba. Bamba, take the shot. No good. Ace of Puerto Rico. Ace. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio, pass to Osias. Nakita si Eroico. Huli nga lang, pero Eugenio recovers. Basket, 2 points. Bamba. Bamba ngayon. Bamba. Pass to Harbel. Binigay kay Geronimo. Fake. Geronimo. Lay off. Pick the roll. No good. Rosal for the rebound. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio. Bajo to Aquino. Nice steal. Aquino. Pass to Bamba. Bamba drive. Zigzagging move. No good. Rosal for the rebound. Rosal. Eugenio. Pass to Osias. Osias. Lay off, basket, 2 points. Point drive. Corner game. Pass to Geronimo. Geronimo for 3. Basket, kapoor. Ace. Pass to Eroica. Eroica, anticipated. Ang bola na Rizal. Pass to Osias. Osias for 3. Yes, sir! Arabel, pass to Geronimo. Geronimo. Papawian, supply. Eroica pass to Eugenio. Kailangan pero sa fake Rizal. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul. Foul, person number 12 contract. First personal foul. Person foul. First team foul. Air ball, turnover. Bamba. Bamba, drive, Bamba. In traffic. Eroica gets the ball. Eroica, 2-in-1 play. A stop and pass. No good. Arabel for the rebound. Arabel back to Geronimo. Geronimo. A stop. Hesitation. Geronimo drives. Even to Aquino. Aquino. Pass the corner. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Eugenio. Eugenio. Opo. Eroica. Fake. Eroica. Mandatory substitution. Pasok na po. Okay, taas sa Apolinario. Binigay. Kai, Bokeh, for 3. No good. Rebound, Ignacio. Dire-diretso. Saka Eugenio ang possession. Eugenio, pass to Apolinario. Lay off, basket yan. Para kay Apolinario. 26 and 34. Delfino, basket. Tablaw lang ang ating laban. Bokeh. Pass to Bokeh. Lay up, no good. Rebound, Bokeh. Bokeh, hey, running away, no good. Rebound, Lozano. Lozano. Stop. Fly by. Binigay kay Borrego. Good way, in and out. Abastillas for putback, no good. Ball out of bounds. Bola ng team. Incheon. Apolinario. Pass to Bokeh. Bokeh, pass to Nokia. Nokia, pass to Eugenio. Binigay kay Diamante. Supply, and bola na Lozano. Lozano. Lozano drive. Lozano, lay off, basket 2 points. Nokias. Nokias, pass to Bukid. Binigay kay Apolinario. Apolinario to Diamante. Diamante, fake Diamante, fake the shot, basket. 2 points para kay Diamante. Delfino, pumps in the air. Iniiwan kay Agasilias 2 points. Apolinario. Apolinario, grabe, tinabang daw. Foul, jersey number 25, Delfino. First personal foul, second team foul.
Ayun ako po tayo dito. No.
First round no good. Second drive, basket will not count. Entering too early on the video line is violation, turnover. Lozano. Lozano. Pass to Barredo. Barredo, 1-3 pull up, no good. Eugenio for the rebound. Eugenio. Eugenio Mayor. Stop and bomb. 6-3, no good. Abasillas. Booking. Try to save it. Barredo, pull, 8-3, no good. Ang bola na kay Barredo pa rin. Same spot. Iniwan na kay Lozano. Siya naman, tingnan natin. Kasiyahan para kay Lozano. 3 points. Diamante. Diamante ngayon. Drive. Iniwan kay Booking. Booking, Castro, Nokias. Nokias, teardrop, closer. Finesse para kay Nokias. Delfino. Binigay, guy. Abasillas, so good. Rebound, Eugenio. Nokias ngayon. Nokias. Now the lane. How do you play? Apolinario, 2 points. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Ignacio. Apolinario, Eugenio. Pass to Bukid. Bukid. Lay off. So good. Diamante. Ruling out kay Lozano. Diamante tries to get some contact basket, 2 points. Barredo, pass to Ignacio. Ignacio base. Ignacio, hockey there. Meron tayong down. Foul jersey number 75. This is for that. 15 yan, 15 pa. 15. Apolinario. First personal foul, first team foul. First team foul ba? First drive, basket. Isa lang daw sa team foul. Opo, isa lang. Hindi, isa lang po. Eugenio, pass to Nokias. Nokias, sa ilalim na dito si Bukid. Bukid, pass to Nokias. Nokias, fire! Nokias, so good! Rebound na kay Apolinario! Meron tayo down. Foul? Jersey number 10, Lozano. First personal foul. Third team foul. Tama lang isa. First try basket. Second try basket. Because Fernandez 45 and 44. 46 na ba? 46. Basket yan. All 46 ang ating talaan. Eugenio. 35 seconds remaining. Eugenio ngayon. Eugenio. Pass to Bukid. Bukid. One step. Nice to get Ignacio. Ignacio. Batak na. Sablay. Trying to save them. Bola na. Team CJ. Itchan rather. Team Itchan. Team CJ tayo. Team CJ. Apolinario, try to play out the good pass. Without a ball. End of the second quarter.
Mulan.
Papa pass to Delfino. Delfino take the shot. Basket to Nance. Asias. Asias pass to Denosta. Meron tayong foul na nakuha. Foul jersey number 12. Conrad. Two shots para kay Denosta. Again, running time na po tayo based on our commissioners to maximize our ball game. Geronimo for three. Basket. Para kay Geronimo. Asias. Hesitation. Down the lane. Pass to Rizal. Binigay kay Denosta. Sablay. Geronimo. Pass to Delfino. Delfino lay off. Sablay. Ang bola na kay Asias. Asias pass to Eroista basket to Boyd. Geronimo. Geronimo pass to Bamba. Bamba fake. Bamba pass to Delfino. Delfino pass it. Connects money on his jump shot. 2 points. Asias.
Sandali!
Pass to Denosta. Denosta iniwan tayo Rizal. Geronimo ngayon. Geronimo. Shoot for three. Yes, sir. Para kay Geronimo. Eugenio. Eugenio ngayon. Taas Osias. Elbow three-pointer. Pull the trigger. No good. Rebound na kay Delfino. Delfino. Masyado talakas ang pass. A turnover. 56 and 49 in favor of Team CJ. Denosta, pass to Eugenio. Eugenio against Delfino. Binigay kay Denosta. Denosta a little turn. Pass to Eloisa, no good. Rebound, Conrad. Pass to Geronimo. Geronimo. Geronimo ngayon. Pass to Bamba. Bamba fake. Bamba drive. Fake off. Basket. Para kay Fulford. Bamba. Eugenio. Eugenio ngayon. Crosses over. Down the lane. Eugenio nakita si Rizal. Supply. Rebound. Conrad. Pass to Delfino. Pass to Bamba. Bamba. Pass to Geronimo. Fake. Basket. 2 points. Asias, pass to Eugenio. Binigay kay Eroisa. Eroisa is step back for three. No good. Delfino for the rebound. Pass to Geronimo. Geronimo, pass to Bamba. Bamba, layup, basket, 2 points. Denosta. Pass Osias. Osias, pass to Rosal. Rosal, right open fire. Connect. Para kay Rosal, 2 points. Geronimo. Stop and pop and shoot for three. Eugenio, sasabay na lang ang ulan at supply. Geronimo ngayon. Geronimo, pass the ball line. Siya naman sa three. So good. Eugenio, pass Osias. Osias, free throw line jumper, no good. Osias, fake. Osias, pass to De Los sa open fire. In and out. Rebound na kay Conrad. Pass to Geronimo. Substitution. Abasterias, pass to Barredo. Barredo ngayon. Barredo. Siya naman sa tres. In and out. Ace for the rebound. Ace to outlet pass to Eugenio. Nakuha ni Nokias. Nokias. Supply. Ang bola na kay Lozano. Lozano. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio tapos sa play. So good. Barredo. Barredo. Pass to Ignacio. Supply. Ang bola na kay Apolinario. Maaagaw pa ni Abasterias. Ang bola na kay Abasterias pa rin. Pass to Barredo. Barredo for three. No good. Ace for the rebound. Ace. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio ngayon. Basket 2 points. Lozano. Pass to Abasterias. Abasterias pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. Basket 2 points. Para Ignacio. Looking here, broken basket 2 points. Abasterias, pass to Barredo. Barredo for three. Yes, sir. Looking here. Pass to Apolinario. Apolinario. Fires. Basket by Apolinario. 59 and 70. Ignacio, keep up, so good. Apolinario for the rebound. Pass to Ace. Ace to basket 2 points. Barredo. Barredo for three. Yes, sir. Moving in. Wicked. Pass to Becker. Becker for three. No good. Rebound by Apolinario. Apolinario connects to Bravo. Lozano. Lozano on. Turnover. Ang bola na pumunta sa PCJ. Chanado.
Bro, wag mo usog, bro. Nauusog eh.
Broken. Broken crossover. Broken down. Take a shot. Basket 2 points. Apolinario. So good. Ignacio for the rebound. Ignacio pass to Barredo. Barredo fires. Basket 3 points. Eugenio. take the shot. This good. Nicolai Barredo. Less than a minute remaining. Barredo. Pass to Agustin.